In this demo, I'll be showing you how to use while let in order to perform looping when you have specific types of data. Here we have a mutable variable that has optional data with the value of 3. We can use the keywords while let and then some number equals data. What this does is creates a while loop as long as there is some data available. Within the loop, if we set the data to none, the loop will terminate. We'll do a print line so we can show how many iterations we've been through. If we run this program, we should see that we print out loop one time, the data gets set to none, and then this is no longer evaluated to true since the data is none, and it'll just print one time. Give it a go. As we can see, we printed one time and then done. The while let construct is extremely useful when you're working with iterators because a lot of iterators may return optional data. And so then you can use while let some value, and then this can be an iterator, and then you can operate on the data within until you run out of data. Let me show you an example. We'll create a vector of numbers, and then we'll create an iterator from it. The iterator needs to be mutable since it'll be mutating. We then use while let some number equals number iter. The .next function on the iterator will return an optional value as long as there are values to return. Once it gets through all the values in the vector, then the last one will return none, which will then cause the while let loop to terminate because the value is no longer some, but instead none. We can then print out the values. And so when we run the program, we will get our loop printed once along with 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll print out done. And as you can see, we have our loop 1, 2, and 3, and then done. This concludes the demo on while let. I'll see you in the next presentation.